Hello guys, I hope you are all doing good. And in the last video, we seen that how we create a simple project in a Java language in a Eclipse, right? Now, in today's video, our task is to fulfill this requirement. What is the requirement is that the student is having a age and a location. We have to write a program for it and we have to show the age and the location of a student. You can give the name of a student if you want. So how we can write a code for it? So firstly, if you've not seen my last video, then go and visit it, see how we can create a project, then only come over here. Now, here you have to remember whenever any task is provided, so in that task, you have to think what is the big thing is given. In this task, what is the big thing? There are only few things are provided like as a student, age, and a location. It's a common sense that these are the important things, student, age, and location. But the biggest important thing is student because all the remaining data is related to the student only. So you have to create a class of that student. Means the class name should be now the student. And as we see in the rule that the class name should be start with a capital letter, right? That's why we write a student which is having first letter as capital. Now we have seen that we have to select the main, right? So this main is why it is written and all such questions will be answered as the concepts come. Okay, so don't think about it that why it is written here only, why it is, why need to write it. Many questions you have, right? But for now, only see the concepts which I am teaching, not the things which is not yet I am telling about. Okay, so here let's start with our program. Firstly, we created a class with the biggest thing. Now, whatever the data related to this big thing, we have to write inside it. So what is the student having? Student having age and location. So let's write age. Second thing is a location. Both the things we have written, but here you can see the red line is given means the error is given. Why? Because we are not yet completed our program. Okay. Now, secondly, the age should be having something data type. Means we cannot write, right? Like as a age as a Pune, age as a Kerala, age as a Mumbai, age as a anything. We cannot write. We write age in a integer format. So we write a data type as a int. So suppose the age of that student is 34. Now, this is our first line is not yet completed, but suppose it's a completed. Now, secondly, location. Did we write anytime the location is a 1 to 3? No, right? We write a location like in a string format. So for it, you need to write a string over here, which is also a data type. So suppose our location is nothing but a Pune. Let's write over here Pune. Now you think all is written correctly, that the data type is provided, value is provided. Now why this error is coming? Because whenever this code is going to be run, the code should be understand that this line is completed. Now go on the next line, right? So we need to tell to the code that this line is completed. Like as whenever we read any paragraph in English, so after full stop we go on a next line. Likewise, in a program, after semicolon, the code will be go on a second line to execute. So here will be semicolon. But we want that name should be student having something name also, right? So why not display it to it? So name also will be in a string format. So name will be suppose name is Rahul. So I provided here, this line is completed, semicolon is provided. That's how you have to remember. But by writing it, if I run this program, how to run it? Right click, here you will see the run as Java application. Here is a shortcut also provided, Alt Shift XJ. You can click on it also. How you will click? Alt Shift X, then remove all the buttons and press on a J. So Java application will be run. But yet anything is displayed in a console. Console shows us the results which we are printing in this code. So how we can print? So for it, one print command is given in a Java, that is System.out.println. So for printing it, you should need to write here the name. So name will be print. What I told you, Alt Shift X and then press J. So it will be automatically execute your program, right? Now, second thing we have to print, that is a age. But here also one shortcut you have to be always remember, that is you need to write a SYSO control space, then enter. So you doesn't need to write the always be the System.out.println like, okay. The secondly, we need to print the location. So location, okay. Now if I run, so you can see here Rahul 34 age and Pune. But we want like as a name is a Rahul, age is a 34, then location is a Pune. So for it, you have to write it into a double quotes. Whatever you want to print, you need to write it in double quotes and concatenate the variable with it. So here we will write name is a, then suppose we write this like as arrow, okay. The secondly we will write here age is a, then also we written a arrow. This a is looking very badly over here, so I removed it. Then location, for location we will write location is. Good enough. Now if we print it, let's use the shortcut only, Alt Shift X and then press the J. Name is Rahul, age is 34 and location is Pune. Now the things which you have to remember over here, we have completed this task. Which things you have to be remember? You have to find the biggest thing from the task. Make it class. Class name should be start with a capital letter. Secondly, whatever will be the related things will come inside the program, means inside these brackets. Now, for anything, we need to decide the data type related to it. Age, we write in a int. Location, we write in a string. If we write over here int location and we write here like as a 1 2 3 4, what do you think, it will be printed or not? Location we not write in 1 2 3 4, right? But it will print or not? Of course it will be print. Why? The simple reason is code is not that see that what is you are writing, it see that you are written correctly. Location, maybe some people are very distinct from us and they say their location like is 1 2 3 4. It may be happened, right? But as per the common sense, we know that location is always be in a string format. That's why we write in a string. And whenever we will write a string data type, we need to provide a double quotes. Then only it will be printed correctly, otherwise it will be show error. For printing anything, we need to write the System.out.println and whatever we want to print. If we want to give some data or something, anything which we have to write, then we write it into a double quotes and concatenate that variable with the plus symbol. This is called as a concatenation. Okay, I hope so you got this much of the code over here. If anything, questions related to this, you can ask me in a comment box. And now also I will tell you, don't think about why this is written like the System.out.println. As much as if you want to know while writing the program only, then many of the videos are available for this also, you can watch it. Okay, but for now you have to only remember one task is provided, how we can write a program for it. Okay, so thank you for watching this, guys. In the next video we are going to see the another one unique concept, and I hope so you got this. Thank you.